Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. This morning so much is going on, like the dryer and everything, that I know it's gonna be noisy, so I'm just gonna fast forward, or actually I'm just gonna jump to later. I just wanted to say hi and start the day, but we're probably just gonna jump to later since everything is so loud right now. Hey guys, it is now this afternoon. I'm back from my appointment and work, and I'm in pain, so it's kind of hard to just stand here and talk. I'm also beyond tired and all I want to do is relax, but I have to edit for a video to go live tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna make a grilled cheese and tomato soup for dinner. Mike decided he wants to stay late tonight at work to work on personal stuff, so it's just me. So I'm gonna cook and, I don't know, relax and then regret it later. Tell me why this actually looks good. I did burn it a little, it's all right. So I'm just going to watch some YouTube while I eat. Oh, I push buttons, gotta go. So my mouse is dead, I was gonna edit, so I'm charging it. So I'm gonna go put some clothes away that have been literally sitting in that room for weeks. So we're gonna do laundry. Well, I've already done laundry. We're gonna put it all away. So let me get you set up to time lapse. Wow, it got green in here. Okay, hopefully lighting's good. If not, sorry. Got my mouse charging, and we're just gonna sort this and put it away. Ignore my bed. We don't make it, okay? It is officially all put away, and I'm literally out of space. I have no more hangers, and I still have more clothes. All right. Well, we're gonna try to edit now. Okay, I am at the computer now. I have a shirt on. I'm not naked, although there have been some scenes. I'm not gonna put a shirt on just to vlog when you can't even see it. Anyways, I'm currently importing some documents, or I guess converting them from one file to a different file so that I can input them into iMovie. It is 7 o'clock now. All I want to do is relax, and I'm trying not to be a quitter. I feel like though, like, week vlogs are so boring. I don't do anything. It's the weekend. So if I end up quitting this, I'll at least still vlog the weekends for you and upload those, because those are where things actually happen. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to editing, and I'll probably see you later tonight. I don't know, my plan is just to edit and then go relax, so I'll either see you later just to close it out, or I'll see you tomorrow if I forget. So it's the end of the night, so we're gonna go ahead and take my makeup off because there's not much else to film on weekdays. Yeah, did I end up showing you guys my makeup room? I organized like kind of this area, but not over there. Okay, we're gonna use the One Size Go Off Milk Up Dissolving Mist, which I'm like almost out. And I'm gonna get a makeup wipe. This is just from Kirkland, which is a Costco's brand, Costco's brand. I did bring over a couple of skincare products to try and do over here. We'll see how this turns out. So this is where it's probably gonna get really weird and hard to do, because I'm gonna try to cleanse here without water to wash my hands. So I have a paper towel. I'm gonna attempt to use that. If that doesn't work, I'll use another makeup wipe. But like I said before, at night and in the morning is when my pain with this scoliosis and sciatic problem is the worst. So it's hard to bend over to wash my face. So I'm gonna try it here. So this is the Drunk Elephant Best number 9 jelly cleanser. It's just like a little baby sample of it. So we're gonna try this. It's weird that my hands aren't wet. Why does this low-key smell like a form of paint? Is it just me? It smells like a new home after it's been painted a couple of days ago. Just gonna use this for now, and then I feel like after I'm done I can wash my hands, because washing my hands isn't hard. It's more of the that thing. So they're kind of sticky, but I think we can work with it. So then I have the makeup eraser. I just wet this. I'm gonna use this to remove it. I don't think that worked. This is like drenched in product now. So I guess I'm just gonna go in with wipes one more time. Dang it. I was hoping it would work because I need to start washing my face again. We're gonna have to figure out something else. If you guys have an idea, let me know, because I need to start washing my face again. It's been months since I've washed my face. I literally just use multiple wipes to get my makeup off, and that's it. Okay, which actually for only doing that, I have really good skin. All right, let's move on. I'm gonna use this serum, or do I wanna use this one? We're gonna use this one. I will link it if I can find it, but I don't know where you buy it. I got it in a BoxyCharm. It's by Volition. It's a snow mushroom water serum. So we're gonna use this. I need hydration. All right, and then I'm gonna use the same moisturizer that I use in the morning. It's by Derma E. It's a vitamin C renewing moisturizer. Okay, and then for eyes, it's expired, maybe. This is from Clinique. It's the Moisture Surge Eye 96 Hour Hydro Filler. Oh, that was way too much. Well, looks like we're putting it in more than just my eye. On, whatever. Give me hydration everywhere. Well, can't waste it, so my nose definitely needs it. Only other thing I'm gonna do is a lip balm, which is by Jouer. Is the Essential Lip Enhancer. I never spend money on like expensive lip balms, but this came in a BoxyCharm and I love it. And my hair is like going crazy. Okay, I'm gonna clean all this up and head to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow.